Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado graham cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 ripe avocados, 1 pack of graham crackers, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Don't forget 1 large carton of all-purpose cream and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. This no-bake dessert is surprisingly easy and incredibly delicious, perfect for any occasion. Now let's create the star of our cake, the avocado cream. In a bowl, mash your ripe avocados until they are completely smooth, with no lumps. Then, pour in the entire can of sweetened condensed milk and mix well. Next, gently fold in the chilled all-purpose cream until everything is beautifully combined. A little lime juice adds a wonderful zing, balancing the sweetness perfectly. With our avocado cream ready, it's time to assemble. Start by laying a single layer of graham crackers at the bottom of your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, spread about 1/3 of your creamy avocado mixture evenly over the crackers. Repeat this process, creating 2 more layers of crackers and cream. Make sure the top layer is a thick, smooth blanket of avocado cream. This creates a beautiful finish. The hardest part is waiting. Once assembled, cover your avocado graham cake and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the crackers to soften and the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of crushed graham crackers or a few thin avocado slices. Slice and enjoy this refreshing, creamy, and delightful no-bake treat. It's truly a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.